Hello everyone, welcome back. My FabFitFun Winter 2020 box has just arrived, and as I do every season, I am going to be unboxing it with you. This video is in partnership with FabFitFun, and as I always do, I not only will show you a close-up of each product that's in my box, but I will also have its retail value on the screen. Each seasonal box, which in my mind is like a Christmas gift to yourself 4 times a year, retails for $49.99. But of course, I always have a promo code for you that I will put on the screen and in the description box so that you can get $10 off your first box. You can purchase an annual subscription or just the seasonal box. FabFitFun guarantees that in each box you will receive at least $200 worth of full-size products. Beauty products, lifestyle products, wellness products, fitness products. You can customize your box based on your preferences. I typically choose a lot of beauty items, but this time I decided to do a combination of beauty and more fashion and lifestyle because I'm finding that those are my most used products within my seasonal box. Now, I've been asked by my viewers to do something that some other YouTubers do when they do FabFitFun unboxings, which is to tell you 100% honestly what products I truly can see myself using on a regular basis or items that maybe aren't my favorites, and if I think the box is genuinely worth the money. So let's get started seeing what I got in my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box, which by the way is available to anyone in the USA, Canada, and the UK. Okay, so the first thing in my box I'm really excited about. This is a set of 4 Sloane Champagne Flutes. Now, the other options in this category were a Vera Bradley compact organizer or the Little Marshmallow blanket, which, it was a tough decision. I know a lot of people love that Little Marshmallow blanket, and now I'm wondering if I should have gotten that instead. But I really do love these glasses, and I was in need of some new champagne flutes. Oh, and these are really nicely wrapped too. I like when products come nicely wrapped, especially if they're breakable, like these obviously are. And they are so pretty. How pretty. And this set of 4 champagne flutes has a retail value of $51. So right there, we've started off with a product that to me makes the entire box worth it. Before I get too far into the next product, I do want to say that there is normally included in your subscription box a glossy magazine that will inform you of all of the customization options that were available, the retail prices of all of the products, all kinds of information and great articles about the charity that FabFitFun has partnered with for that season. And something that I always mention when I do these unboxing is that I really think it's great that FabFitFun not only partners with charities, but also supports and promotes female-owned brands. So this next product was part of my customization as well. It is the Dr. Brandt POREDERMABRASION Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I did a little research on this product before I selected it, and the reviews were phenomenal. And I have huge pores. They are the bane of my existence. And people were saying that this was just a miracle product for refining the look of pores. It says that it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleanses the pores, helps smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. I'm all about this. So I'm gonna start using this today, and I will follow up with you in an upcoming video. Next up is this Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf. It doesn't get super cold here in Las Vegas, not nearly as cold as it does in Minnesota or Michigan where I used to live. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is really nice. I don't know what I was expecting, but I guess I just wasn't expecting the scarf to feel this nice. I've lost track of what I was saying. What I was saying is that while it doesn't get that cold here in Las Vegas, it gets down to like the low 30s at night in December and January, and a high of 50 something. And when you live in a warm climate for most of the year, when the temperature gets down to 50, that's really cold. When I lived in Michigan and Minnesota, 50 was considered kind of balmy, but not here in Vegas. So I am so excited to have this scarf because I will definitely use it. And it's actually big enough where I could just take this with me instead of a full coat. I really wish there was a way for me to accurately describe how soft and high quality this scarf feels. So yeah, I love that. Now let's see what's next. Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. Retails for $20. It says that you can use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that excited about this right now, but that's another great thing about FabFitFun is that you get to try products that you might not have otherwise, and you can truly find some gems. I definitely have in the couple of years that I've been promoting FabFitFun and getting the box. So let's see. Oh, it's cute. I don't own anything like this. In the past, I've tried those bigger dry brushes that you can use in the shower and rub on your thighs. That's supposed to help reduce the look of cellulite. And I'm excited to try this and, well, see if it helps. So next up in my box is the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I actually already own this and I really like it. This product retails for $30. And I actually bought this for the first time over the summer, and I am running out. So I'm glad that this was in my box. If you have dry under eyes that need brightening like most of us do, this is a wonderful product to have, especially if you keep it in the refrigerator. What I like to do is in the morning, just as I make my coffee, grab mine out of the refrigerator and just run it under my eyes. Truly, that's what I do. That's how I use it. You can also use it on your cheekbones for an instant glow that looks really, really natural. And you can also put a little bit right there on your Cupid's bow. So next up is this Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. It says that it is a high impact liquid eyeliner that glides on easily and stays on for hours. It retails for $21. I've already done liquid eyeliner today, so I'm not gonna demonstrate it on camera. It does say that this brand is cruelty-free and gluten-free. Now this is a stiff applicator, which usually isn't my favorite. I like an applicator that's a little bit more bendable, but I'll try it. And you know, if I don't end up loving it, as I stated earlier, the value of the products that I've already unboxed that I love has genuinely made the box worth the cost. Here's another item that I'm not sure I need at the moment, but it would make a great gift for someone. This is a faux Croc card case. It retails for $35 and it just has a couple of slots. You can put in your driver's license, a credit card, and then there is a little zipper pocket in the back if you want to throw some cash in there. So this would be great for those occasions where you don't want to carry a purse. I remember going to visit the White House in Washington, DC a couple of years ago, and you were not allowed to bring in any bag over, like I think it was 4 inches by 6 inches or maybe even smaller. This would have been the perfect thing to have actually, because I could just stick the necessities in my back pocket. Oh, I also just noticed that it does have an opening at the top, so you could put your cash in here because there's not that much room back here. And finally, for my customization, I chose this dpHUE Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. dpHUE is a brand that was created by Justin Anderson, who is a celebrity colorist. So as soon as I saw this product available for the customization, I knew I wanted to try it because I really have never tried anything from the brand, but I love Justin Anderson's work. I love his hair color. He works on Kristen Cavallari, and I am someone that is in need of a dry shampoo. I do not like to wash my hair every single day because obviously it's color treated and it does get very dry. I heat style a lot, so I don't like to wash and dry my hair that often. And I am on the hunt for the perfect dry shampoo. And so this was the perfect opportunity for me to try a different brand from a very well-known and I think excellent hairstylist. And this retails for $24. Let's see. Let's see if it leaves a white residue on my roots. My roots are gray. I'm going to get my hair colored in a couple days. Oh, it smells good. And what you're supposed to do with dry shampoo is let it sit for like 30 to 60 seconds and then use your fingers to rake it through. Ooh. Ooh. I can't tell if it's leaving a white cast or if it's just, it's kind of lightening my grays actually. That's a good thing. But I do feel like it really did a good job of absorbing the little bit of oil I had going on at my roots. Oh, I like it. So that's it. That is everything that came in my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. And as promised, even though I kind of mentioned it throughout the video, the products that I can see myself using starting today are, well, obviously the apple cider vinegar dry shampoo, the POREDERMABRASION. I'm not going to use the scarf just yet because it's still pretty warm here in Vegas, but I will be using it. And the champagne flutes I'm definitely going to use right away. I still have a little bit left of my Tula eye balm, but it's definitely going to get used. The only two items that I think I might not use very often or that I could give away to a family member would be the liquid eyeliner, just because I prefer a different applicator, and then also this card case. But you know what? At some point, I think I'm going to be actually very happy that I have this, as long as I don't forget where I put it. My FabFitFun Winter 2020 box had products worth over $308, $308.50 to be exact. And as I said in the beginning, it's such a great gift to yourself 4 times a year. Who doesn't want or need a little pick-me-up, especially these days? So be sure to click the link in my description box and use the code that's also in the description box to get $10 off your first box, which means if it is your first box, you can purchase it for $39.99. All right, I really hope you all enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, it would be great if you would hit that subscribe button and join the Risa Does Makeup family. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under the same username, Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.